Imagine a world where your dining room evolves beyond its traditional purpose, a space not just for eating, but for connecting, entertaining, and personalizing every aspect of your mealtime experience. Welcome to the 2025 Dining Room, a seamless blend of form and function, where cutting-edge technology transforms the way we interact with our surroundings. In this futuristic hub, every detail is designed to enhance your life, making dining smarter, more convenient, and endlessly engaging. The dining table, once a simple piece of furniture, has now become a technological marvel. Picture an interactive surface with holographic displays that bring entertainment and education directly to your fingertips. Want to play a trivia game while waiting for dinner? Or learn about the origins of your favorite dish? Your dining table will make it happen. Smart table settings take personalization to the next level, adapting to individual preferences. Imagine plates that maintain your food's ideal temperature, or cutlery that adjusts ergonomically for your comfort. Integrated voice assistants provide hands-free control over lighting, background music, or even placing a quick order for missing ingredients. This is the dining table reimagined, a centerpiece for both innovation and interaction. In 2025, the dining room becomes a part of your connected home ecosystem. Smart appliances like refrigerators don't just store your food. They monitor it, reorder groceries when supplies run low, and suggest recipes based on your dietary needs. The environment adapts seamlessly thanks to smart windows that optimize natural light or ensure privacy with a tap or voice command. Home automation systems enhance every meal, learning your preferences over time to create the perfect ambience, whether it's a romantic dinner or a family game night. These integrations ensure that your dining room is always ready to meet your needs, effortlessly. The kitchen, the heart of every dining experience, undergoes its own transformation. Advanced food preparation robots can now handle everything from chopping vegetables to cooking elaborate meals, saving you time and effort. Wearable devices revolutionize nutrition, tracking your intake and offering personalized recommendations. Want a balanced diet tailored to your health goals? The 2025 Dining Room has you covered. Virtual reality brings global cuisines to your doorstep. Explore the bustling streets of Tokyo or the vibrant flavors of an Italian trattoria, all while seated at your dining table. You can learn, taste, and immerse yourself in culinary traditions from across the globe without ever leaving home. Dining becomes an immersive and interactive journey in 2025. Personalized entertainment options like interactive games, movies, or educational content can be projected directly onto the table, keeping everyone engaged. Augmented reality adds another layer, displaying nutritional information or highlighting key ingredients in your meal for a deeper understanding of what's on your plate. Even distance is no barrier. Virtual dining experiences allow you to share a meal with friends and family across the world. With holographic projections and real-time interaction, it feels like everyone is together, creating memories that transcend physical boundaries. The 2025 Dining Room redefines what it means to gather, eat, and connect. With seamless integration of technology, personalized experiences, and endless possibilities, it's not just a place to dine, it's a portal to the future. Are you ready to embrace the revolution and transform the way you experience mealtime?